Steps in training pre-trained model. Data preparation. Description. Prepare your dataset for training, ensuring it is compatible with the pre-trained model's input requirements. Tasks. Data loading and preprocessing. Data augmentation if necessary. Model selection. Description. Choose a suitable pre-trained model architecture based on your task requirements and the nature of your dataset. Considerations. Architecture complexity, model size and computational resources. Availability of pre-trained weights. Transfer learning setup. Description. Configure the pre-trained model for transfer learning by modifying the final layers to match the number of classes in your dataset. Steps. Replace or append the output layers of the pre-trained model. Freeze the weights of the pre-trained layers to prevent updating during initial training. Training initialization. Description. Initialize training by compiling the model with appropriate loss function, optimizer, and metrics for your specific task. Configuration. Loss function selection, e.g., categorical cross entropy, mean squared error, optimizer choice, e.g., SGD, ADAM, metric selection, e.g., accuracy, precision, recall. Training. Description. Train the modified model on your dataset, leveraging the pre-trained weights to expedite convergence and improve performance. Tasks. Feed batches of training data into the model. Monitor training metrics, e.g., loss, accuracy. Adjust learning rate or optimizer parameters if necessary. Fine-tuning optional. Description. Fine-tune the entire model or specific layers if needed, allowing the model to adapt more closely to your dataset. Steps. Unfreeze some or all pre-trained layers. Continue training with a lower learning rate to avoid catastrophic forgetting. Evaluation. Description. Evaluate the trained model's performance on a separate validation set or through cross-validation to assess generalization capabilities. Tasks. Calculate evaluation metrics, e.g., accuracy, F1 score. Compare performance against baseline or other models. Model deployment. Description. Deploy the trained model for inference in production or research environments, ensuring compatibility with deployment platforms and performance requirements. Tasks. Serialize the trained model for deployment, e.g., TensorFlow saved model, ONNX format. Integrate with deployment infrastructure, e.g., REST API, Docker container. Monitoring and maintenance. Description. Monitor model performance in production. Retrain periodically with new data, and update as necessary to maintain optimal performance. Tasks. Monitor inference metrics, e.g., latency, throughput. Handle concept drift and data distribution changes.